Good morning, students. Now we are in last part of this lesson, nervous system and skeletal system. So far we have read about the skeletal system. What is there in the skeletal system and how do they function? ये सब हम लोग देख चुके हैं. Now we are coming to the nervous system. And you know that skeletal system is made up of this bones and it protecting the internal organs, and so many organs are there, and organ system के बारे में देखा है, and then joints, bones, and then joints, and then muscles. How muscles is cooperating with this bones, that is the skeletal system, for making the movement. Okay, right. Hope you all have understood this concept. Now coming to this nervous system is that which most of the things we cannot see through our naked eye, but then it makes so many differences in our body. Without this nervous system, these actions could not have been performed. How? Let us see in this portion. Okay, nervous system. Nervous system consists of so many nerves, and what do these nerves do? These nerves will send and receive these messages. Maybe we do not able to see the messages, but then this messages makes a lot of differences. How? Now let us see here. This nervous system is useful to control our body action. So हम लोग bones देखा है, muscles देखा है, सब actions perform करने के लिए, लेकिन वो action perform करने के लिए सिर्फ skeletal system आपको नहीं, मतलब सिर्फ skeletal system का जरूरत नहीं है, आपको उसके साथ nervous system का जरूरत भी है, क्योंकि nervous system उसको control करता है. This will control breathing, walking, playing, eating, feeling, and then digesting the food, and then drawing, talking, thinking. So many things what we are doing in our day-to-day life, whether it is seen to us or whether it is happening inside our body, everything is under the control of this nervous system. Nervous system takes a very important role in this performing various actions. See, if you don't have this nervous system, this function is impossible. Okay, now let us see how it is divided. This nervous system is divided into three parts, that is brain, spinal cord, and network of nerves. We can see this picture here. See, so many nerves we can see here in this picture. So many nerves which is starting from this brain. Brain से वो start होगा and then different parts में हो जाता है. And what do they do? What is the function of this brain, spinal cord, and network of nerves? Let us see here. Brain. What does this brain do? Brain controls all the actions. See, it will instruct to the parts to do so many actions. Do, see, hear, think. So many actions were performed by this brain. Brain आपके पास नहीं हो तो ये सब का possibilities नहीं है. And this is a very delicate organ, and this is protected by the skull. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं, this is brain. Everyone has this brain, and this brain is very delicate and very important organ, which is covered by the skull. क्योंकि skull आपको देखा है very hardest part in our body, and what happens, they will protect this brain. And then this brain is divided into three parts, that is cerebrum, cerebellum, and medulla. Each has a different functions to perform in our body. Since brain is a main part, and this is giving work to different parts to do a different function. And cerebrum आपको यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं cerebrum. Okay, this is cerebrum. This is here you can see the cerebellum, and then here is medulla. And cerebrum का क्या function है? Cerebrum आपको इंस्पेक्ट करते हैं, कंट्रोल करते हैं. क्या क्या कंट्रोल करते हैं? वॉलंटरी एक्शन, मतलब देखने के लिए, आपको कुछ काम करने के लिए, हैंड्स को कुछ काम करने के लिए वो इंस्ट्रक्शन देता है. टेक दिस डस्टर, give this book, or see, you can see, now you can hear. These kind of instructions is given by the cerebrum. Not only this, it can also control the feelings like sadness, happiness, ये सब कंट्रोल करने के लिए भी सेरिब्रम आपको मदद करता है, थिंक करने के लिए, मेमोराइज करने के लिए. सो ये सेरिब्रम आपको बहुत फायदा है ये सब काम करने के लिए. Okay, so this function is performed by cerebrum. And what does the cerebellum do? The cerebellum, what happens? This is connected to the spinal cord and gives a posture. जो हम लोग अभी खड़े हैं, मतलब इसका सेरिबेलम की मदद से, सेरिबेलम आपको मदद करता है एक स्टैंड स्ट्रेट पोस्चर को देने के लिए सेरिबेलम आपको मदद करता है. एंड मेडुला is also performing the different tasks in our body. How? By controlling the involuntary actions. So अभी हम लोग देखे हैं वॉलंटरी एक्शन जो है हम लोग का कंट्रोल में है, जो हम लोग काम करना चाहते हैं वो कर सकते हैं, आपको कंट्रोल हो जाएगा. अभी देखो मत रोना है ऐसे हम सोच रहे, मतलब ये कंट्रोल हो जाएगा. लेकिन कुछ एक्शंस जो है लाइक ब्लिंकिंग ऑफ आईज एंड सम अदर डाइजेस्टिव प्रोसेस, सर्कुलेटरी प्रोसेस, ये सब हम लोग के कंट्रोल में नहीं है, लेकिन उसको कंट्रोल करने के लिए मेडुला आपको मदद करता है. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो इट इज यूजफुल फॉर कंट्रोलिंग द इनवॉलंटरी एक्शंस. ओके, एंड देन like breathing, digestion, blood circulation, like this. Okay, it is clear now. Now coming to this spinal cord. Where does the spinal cord will have? Where we can see the spinal cord backside, backbone called vertebrae covering this spinal cord, because spinal cord is very important. So this vertebrae is covering the spinal cord, and it is a fibrous. You can see this in this picture. Okay, and this is a long and thick bundle of nerves is connecting to the spinal. And nerves, as I said before, that nerves goes to all part of the body, and what do? It will transform the messages. Likewise, यहाँ पे भी spinal cord के साथ उसको nerve से बना हुआ है, and वहाँ पे भी क्या होता है, मैसेज को लेकर जाने के लिए और सारे पार्ट्स को देने के लिए भी ये स्पाइनल कॉर्ड आपको एक इंटरमीडिएटरी काम करते हैं. ओके, दिस इज द इंटरमीडिएटरी पार्ट व्हिच टेक्स द मैसेज फ्रॉम ऑल पार्ट ऑफ आवर बॉडी, गिव्स टू द ब्रेन एंड टेक्स द मैसेज फ्रॉम ब्रेन एंड गिव्स टू ऑल पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडी थ्रू नर्व्स. So this is performing this action through the nerves and a very different functions. Okay, and it is protected by this vertebrae. Vertebrae से protect हुआ है. And okay, and then what do they have? They have sensory nerves, motor nerves, mixed nerves. Okay, what is the function of the sensory nerves? I said the spinal cord will work along with the nerve, along with this nerves. So this nerves is divided into three parts. That is sensory nerves, motor nerves, mixed nerves. Sensory nerves, what happens? This will takes all the information from eyes, nose, ears and parts to brain through spinal cord. Okay, and then motor nerves brings all the information from brain to all parts through the spinal cord. Okay, this is spinal cord, and this red one is the motor nerve, and this blue one is the sensory nerve. And next performs both action, taking all the information from the other part of the body to brain and brain to other part. These are the functions of the three nerves. Next, coming to this reflex action and memory. Reflex action का मतलब क्या है? अभी हम लोग के सामने एक हॉट ऑब्जेक्ट है, अभी हम मतलब विदाउट कॉन्शियस हम उसको छू लिया है, तो उसमें क्या होगा, तुरंत आपको हाथ को वहां से हटाए. कैसे? कोई इंफॉर्मेशन देता है कि नहीं, कोई भी आपको वहां से हैंड से आपको ब्रेन को इंफॉर्मेशन जाने के बाद, आपको ब्रेन से ये आने के बाद आपने ही हटाया है, तुरंत वो हम हाथ वहां से हटा रहे हैं, मतलब ये इसको बोलते हैं रिफ्लेक्स एक्शन. ओके, तुरंत वो काम हम करते हैं विदाउट वेटिंग फॉर द मैसेज फ्रॉम द ब्रेन. ओके, सो दिस इज कॉल्ड रिफ्लेक्स एक्शन. तुरंत ये वाला एक्शन हम करते हैं without thinking about it, whether it is hot, whether it is cold, whether we have to take the hand, whether we have to put the hand and anything without thinking about it, we are doing this, performing this action is called reflex action. And then memory. So in the bird, what we have so many nerves. But this nerves, when it will develop? When we start thinking. When we start thinking about the concepts and we are learning this, memorize this, things will store in our memory and the brain develops. Okay, and then what happens whenever we need information, the brain will give information to us. Okay, this one. So when the memory increase, when we learn so many things, the power increases. Right? So I am concluding this lesson. Now, that is skeletal system and the nervous system. Organs, we read about organ system, skeletal system, joints, bones, muscles, and then nervous systems, which is a very important part in controlling our actions. Right? Hope you all have understood the things. Now, you have to read every day's portion, complete it in that day itself, and if you have any doubt, you can call me. Thank you.